What's up, my lords? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's how you become an official low rider. Okay, you guys, I'm getting ready to do a customer. I'm taking out her crochets and putting more crochets in. So sit back, relax, and watch me as I do some crochets. And I know sometimes it can take a little bit longer doing the hair when I'm taking it down and installing. So I got snacks for my customer. We got cupcakes, we got Takis, we got chips, we got strawberries, and I have sodas in my little mini fridge.
Of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but Baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, mayday. Is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, mayday. Tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday. Is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. You, yeah. Mayday, mayday. Tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
I know I said I wasn't going to talk, but I did have to explain this to you guys. I have about 20 crochet hooks, and my customer, to save time, she puts about 5 to 8 braids on the crochet hook so I can go without stopping and putting one on there at a time. So if you have a client that's getting crochets and you want to get it done quicker and they don't mind helping so that they can get done quicker, let them put the braids on the crochet hook, and all you got to do is apply it to the net. Because she didn't want any hair, a lot of hair hanging to her face, I did the center part of her head going back and the sides parts going down.